Let us talk about feature selection. In my last shorts, we have discussed about curse of dimensionality, and one way to reduce or remove curse of dimensionality was feature selection. Now, what is feature selection? Let's talk about it using a simple example. Imagine you have a big box of crayons with hundreds of colors, but you would only need a few to draw a nice picture. Some colors could be really useful, like red, blue, but others might not be needed, like 10 different shades of green. So feature selection is like choosing the best crayons from the box so your picture looks great without making a mess. Instead of using all the crayons, you pick only the ones that help you draw the best picture. Similarly, in our data, when we need to create a model, not all the features are necessary and we can just pick and choose whichever features are required. So the goal is to find the best set of features which will build an optimized model. There are three methods for feature selection: filter method, wrapper method, and embedded method. Let us use a simple example of a toy box to explain these three types of feature selections. First is a filter method. Using filter method, you can pick toys based on simple rules. Like you could check each toy and remove the broken ones. You only keep the toys you played with the last week and because they were fun. If you already have 5 teddy bears, you wouldn't need more. So this is your feature. You're selecting which toys you want to play with. Similarly, using filter methods, we can use statistical measures which assign a score to each of these features. Then the features are ranked as per these scores, and then we can select or remove these features. Advantages of using filter method is these are fast and computationally less expensive. However, the disadvantage is that each feature is evaluated independently, which means if there are features whose combination would help drive model's performance, we are ignoring those characteristics. Techniques that come under filter methods are information gain, correlation coefficient, chi-square test, Fisher's score, mean absolute difference, and variance threshold. I hope you understood what feature selection is and the filter methods. For the other two methods, keep an eye out for my next video. If you like the content, then please do subscribe.